Hey everybody, this is the Canning Nana again, and we're off on one of our adventures. So every once in a while I will venture out and show you guys where we take our adventures, and kind of deviate a little bit from my canning for a few days or so. So this is one of those adventures, and you'll see a few of these videos from Los Cabos. Today we're in La Paz at Ballandra Beach, and we're out in the middle of the ocean, and I'll show you guys. We are literally out in the middle of the ocean. So down there, I don't know if you guys can see, but way down there is mainland Mexico. We're at the tip of Baja California, near La Paz. We're about 30 miles north of La Paz. Whoa, the water's getting deeper here. Whoa, okay. So I'm out in the middle of this, okay? And it's barely
4 feet deep.
Yeah, about 4 feet deep. Not very deep at all. But this is what it looks like out here. If any of you have the chance to come out here, do this. This is an amazing beach. It's a free beach, free parking. It is limited right now due to COVID. They are accepting, I think, 220, 280 people. There's not that many here. Whoa, these are waves. So yeah, this is really cool because it's like 2 to 3 feet deep most of the way, and then it goes to about 4 foot. I'm not even at 4 foot, and I'll show you. Actually, we'll go underwater. There's fish everywhere. I don't know. Let me try to show you underwater how clear it is. Okay, so it's getting a little bit choppy. There's pelicans out here. Really, really cool. There's an arch. I have to put pictures up. There's a mushroom rock right there where everybody's taking pictures. We've already taken a picture over there. Really, really cool place to go. You can tell out in the middle of the ocean, people walking. Really cool. So yeah, there's people swimming. There's little beaches, lots of little inlets, mountains, just beautiful. So taking you along on a little adventure. Thanks for coming along, guys. As always, please thumbs up the video, like my video, leave a comment, and share my video, please. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're doing a 5,500 subscriber giveaway very soon. We have reached that milestone, and I am really excited, and I'm going to be sharing with all you guys. We're going to be giving away lots of prizes, so stay tuned, and you must be a subscriber to win. So please subscribe, and canning videos are coming soon. Thanks, guys. Bye. Have a great day.